Hello, this is Tosh Tires. I'm just gonna show you something on the dashboard, on the cluster itself. Usually people do wonder what these lights are for. I'm just gonna show them to you and explain them to you. Now that one there which is flashing, that's for the glow plugs. The second one that just sort of went off, that's for the traction control. That's the management light. This here is a brake warning light, so that means either your brake sensors are worn down, so the brake pad needs replacing. That one there, which I get a bit clearer, is for the DPF. On the right there for the battery, this is for the seat belt, this is for the handbrake as well. If that stays on, so there's a fault with the handbrake. If that stays on, there's a fault with the DPF. If that stays on, there's a fault with the brake wear indicator, so either the front brake pads or the rear. If that stays on, there's a problem with the engine somewhere, so it needs to be plugged in, and that's the glow plug light as well. So what I'm going to do with this Audi, I'm going to start her up, and as you can see in that corner there as well, it's a spanner light on, so that's for a service. Now as you can see, this is running now, and you can see the 4 lights on the left hand side here, 1, 2, 3, 4 is still on, so there's definitely a fault somewhere, which we now need to diagnose and see what it is. But like I've said, that's the glow plug, that's the management. You need to diagnose, plug in a computer. That's for the brakes, and that's for the DPF. And the other two, don't worry about it, because obviously I'm not wearing a seat belt and I haven't put the handbrake down. But the moment I put the handbrake down, the light goes off, which is good. Okay, so I hope this little information about these lights have helped you and rectified your faults. So these lights would be on pretty much on all diesel cars. I don't know about this exhaust light, but everything else is normal for other cars as well. Okay, thank you, goodbye.